hi there. Welcome to Nantucket. We're on a boat out here on the island and it's the last week of summer. So we're gonna get the day started. We don't wanna waste a minute. We're gonna start with a little cardio blaster. We're gonna get on the Assault Bike and then do some body weight movement. Let's do it.
I think we're just gonna stay right here. It's such a nice view.
Alright guys, we have an Assault Bike here, so we're going to spend 5 minutes on the Assault Bike. We're going to go 30 seconds hard, then 30 seconds nice and easy. Catch your breath back. So here we go. Now 30 seconds easy. We're going to repeat this 4 more times, 5 times total, until we spend 5 minutes on this thing. Whew. Now we're taking it easy, catching the breath back. I'm done. All right, so now that we got the cardio in, we've got a 4 exercise circuit. We're gonna start with squats, go into squat jumps, follow that up with push-ups, and then do burpees. Make sure you're doing a push-up in your burpee. Let's do it. We got 15 of each. Nice and light on the feet, butt back. All right, then we're gonna go down, get push-ups and push-up burpees. 1, 2. Our 15 burpees, we're gonna add a push-up to it. 1, 2. Oh, okay. So that's 4 exercises, 15 times each. You're gonna repeat that 3 times through. All right, guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Hope you found this workout effective. Until next time, keep it rad.